Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about event example in Java, part of programming in Java course. Here is an example of handling a button click event in Java applet. In this example, the myApplet class extends the applet class and overrides the init method. Inside the init method, a button is created and added to the applet's display area. An instance of myActionListener class is created and registered with the button using addActionListener method. When the button is clicked, the action performed method of the myActionListener class is called. Inside the action performed method, the showStatus method is called to display a message in the browser status bar. This example demonstrates a basic usage of an event handling in a Java applet. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.